Hello everyone, I'm Kumar, a first year UG student in Kumar College of Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, we'll see how to choose a problem statement and give solution for that problem with the empathy model. Methodology for effective problem definition. Firstly, identify the pain point. Find a real world problem causing frustration and then inefficiency. Secondly, define user focus. Clearly identify who suffers from this problem and why it matters. Understanding the user's perspective and drives meaningful solution. Scope the problem. Ensure the problem is addressable with available skills and technology in real time. And then example, ambulance traffic delay. Emergency ambulance gets stuck in dead stop traffic despite siren blaring, creating life-threatening delays in patient care. Congested delay caused by congested traffic signals, prevent by timely patient care during the golden hour when every second counts. And the solution is that an IoT solution designed to enhance urban traffic management and emergency response to real-time vehicle to infrastructure communication. The key objective is to reduce ambulance response time through automated traffic signal personalization and enabling faster emergency care delivery. In the design phase, empathize, define, ideate, and prototyping and testing. Empathize, interview ambulance drivers to understand traffic stress, frustrations at red lights, and critical delay moments during the golden hour. Define, pinpoint exact delay moments and congested signals where emergency lost precious response time despite silence. Ideate, brainstorm sensing methods and communication protocols like RF transmitter receiver for reliable long range vehicle to integration signaling. Prototyping testing. Build an ESP32 or Arduino with RF modules. Simulate green wave by remote triggering receiver to validate signal prioritization. And persona. Persona is a humanizing the problem through a real user example. In this, Rajesh is a 35 years old emergency ambulance driver with an 8 years of experience navigating city during critical emergencies. Motivation. Deliver patient within the golden hour, the critical 60-minute window that determines survival in cardiac and trauma emergencies. Frustration and pinpoint. Seeing a red light at 200 meters away, stuck in dead stop traffic with no room for maneuver, silence blaring, but vehicles unable to clear a path. This is the very critical situation in a trauma patient in the ambulance in an emergency situation. DCAFE framework. D for doubt, C means conflict, A for anger, F for fear, and E for ego. Doubt. Will the hardware trigger the light in time? Uncertainty about system reliability during critical moments. Conflict. Driving fast to a safe life versus maintaining safety for the ambulance crew and the other road users. Anger. Frustration with the distracted drivers who ignore sirens and fail to clear a path for an emergency vehicle. Fear. Deep concern that traffic delays could result in patient casualty and preventable loss of life. Ego, internal pressure to the hero driver who always deliver patient on the time and regardless of obstacles. This is another empathy model which is called as SEPIA framework. S means skill, E means expertise, P means perspective, I means idea. And then alignment, and alignment is to align every these skill, expertise, and perspective and idea in the single line. Skill, C++ programming, circuit designing, and embedded system. Expertise form the technical foundation for the building reliable IoT devices. Skill means the skill in technology and then circuit designing for this solution. Expertise, deep knowledge of in the long range or then receiving frequency, radio frequency signal range, and penetration characteristics. Enables effective long distance communication in urban environments. Perspective, strategic shift from traditional sirens to digital sirens for more reliable emergency response. Idea, wireless handshake protocol between ambulance transmitter and the traffic pole receiver enables automated priority green light activation. In a LO architecture is what are the things are included in end-to-end signal from flow from ambulance to the traffic pole. What are the things that are included in this solution? Input layer. In the input layer, siren switch activation triggers the ESP32 or Arduino microcontroller, initiating the emergency priority sequence. Processing layer. Microcontroller encrypts the emergency signal using secure protocols, preventing unauthorized access or hacking. In the communication layer, encrypted Encrypted RF signals transmitted via long-range technology across 500 meters from 1 kilometer range to traffic infrastructure. Output layer receiver node activates relay module overriding traffic light timer to switch signal to green for emergency vehicle. System integration. Blue strobe light alerts drivers while automated green way clears the path for ambulance passage in the transmitter node and in this ambulance siren switch trigger physical switch activated initiates the crane wave sequence detecting when emergency sirens are engaged to begin signals transmission in ESP32 or Arduino microcontroller unit. Microcontroller process the trigger input, encrypts the priority request signal and manages communication protocols for reliable transmission. Long range radio frequency transmitter. Long range based radio frequency transmitter broadcasts encrypted signals across from 500 km to 1 kilometer, ensuring traffic poles receive that signals and act upon that signal. In the communication layer, encrypted radio frequency data transmission. Signal range. Long range radio frequency transmission covers 500 to 1 kilometer radius, ensuring reliable communication between the ambulance and the traffic infrastructures like traffic signals and the traffic poles. Security protocol. Encrypted signal prevent unauthorized access and system manipulation, protecting against hacking and misuse of traffic control. In the traffic pole in the receiving side, microcontroller or a transmitter relay module and green light override blue strobe alert receiver node and action layer. Microcontroller like ESP32 or Arduino decrypts information from radio frequency signal and validates authentication before triggering response. Uh, in the relay module, microcontroller triggers relay to the control traffic control traffic light hardware and strobe activation simultaneously. Blue strobe alert. This is the key solution for this one. Visual warning system activates blue strobe light to alert nearby drivers to approaching emergency vehicle. Then the drivers should give space for the give path for that emergency vehicles. Social impact, healthcare and the smart cities. In the healthcare and the smart city, emergency response, faster ambulance arrival times, they directly increase patient survival rates during the critical golden hour window. Smart cities integration supports India's smart cities initiative by embedded an IoT infrastructure into existing urban traffic system. Urban safety and efficiency enhances public safety while improving overall traffic flow and efficiency through metropolitan districts. Thank you for watching.